crazy how bad I look. It's just, I'm really sorry. Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be doing yet another room tour video, because 4 room tours are just not enough. So this is my room. It's very small, if you can see it, and it's even smaller in person. So yeah, that's that. This is the door, obviously. Over here I have a pretty odd wall banner that I actually made a DIY on this channel, so if you want to see that, I'm gonna leave the link down below, because honestly this is the prettiest thing I've ever done in my entire life. So yeah. Over here I have one of my favorite things about my room, that is the vinyl wall. I also made a DIY on this wall. I'm gonna also leave the link down below for you guys. Over here I have a calendar that it's also a board, but I actually don't use it. I used to use it maybe when I was junior year. I don't know, man. I stopped using it October 2018, and I just decided to put a quote on it. The only limit is you, because yes, man, you can do whatever you want if you put your mind to it. So spread that positiveness and stuff. Right here I have Sam Winchester, Dean Winchester, Castiel Winchester. Yes, Castiel is a Winchester. Okay, I'm sorry. I have this Artist College of Art and Design, which is my college, and I was accepted, so I don't know, I like to keep myself, reminded that I was accepted to college, and that's great, I guess. This is a poster of my college also. Right over here I have a 21 Pilots poster that I got on the Emotional Roadshow concert that I went on 2017. That was the best night of my life. Over here I have a small poster, or just thingy, that I print out of Panic at Disco back in the days when, Brendan had bandmates. Yeah. Right here I have my Sherlock, another printout. So this is my bed. This is where I sleep and stuff. Basically my room, if you watch like other videos from before, it wasn't as fandom as it is right now, so that's crazy, because I just fandom everything, my room. That's Sam Winchester, Dean Winchester from Supernatural, if you don't know. I have a heart, pillow, Gudetama, rainbow, and I have these beautiful Funko Pop lights of Captain America, which is like, I love these so much. They were like $5, and this was going to be my Marvel corner. I was gonna print out my favorite Marvel movies posters, but since I'm gonna be moving in a month, I figured, why would I do that? It's a waste of time, so I just have Doctor Strange in there. And also a Stranger Things calendar that is still on 2018, because I don't use calendars that much, but I bought this one for $2, and so it's Stranger Things, so why not? Over here I have my favorite poster, Supernatural. It's beautiful. I have this thing that I love a lot. It's a good day to have a good day. Yeah, we're very positive, even though I don't follow these quotes, but yeah, I try my best. I also have this thing, it's fake, obviously. My beautiful Funko Pops, Sam, Castiel, Dean from Supernatural, some fake plants, this Stranger Things poster, well, print out, These are some magazines that I decided to, put in here. They're beautiful. Comic-Con, Supernatural, Entertainment Weekly, Avengers with Chris Pratt and Danai Gurira, who I love a lot. She's also in The Walking Dead, and I love her. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I just haven't filmed videos in a while, and I'm freaking out. In this other shelf, I have my Moriarty, Funko Pop, a fake plant, and Sherlock with violin. This might be one of my favorite Funko Pops ever. It's just the detail is so beautiful. This is just a drawing I made of Castiel from Supernatural, which is my favorite character of Supernatural. Love him. Love Misha Collins. I'm gonna meet him, God willing, on October. I love you, Misha Collins. Okay. Right here I have some Polaroids. Right here is this other sign. I love signs if you didn't notice. This one says today is your day. It lights up, but I don't have batteries, so that's that. This is my beautiful vinyl frame. I used to have the 21 Pilots bezel on here because I have 2 of them. Great. But my mom bought me this one, Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band from the Beatles. I already say that, but yes, she bought me this one for my graduation, and I decided to put it on because I love it. And my best friend Dana, she's probably not watching this, but whatever, she bought me this one on Universal Studios. Right over here is my nightstand. Yeah, right, that's what it's called. I have a Carol Danvers Captain Marvel, oh my god, I'm sorry, Funko Pop, which I love a lot. And I have this rainbow lamp, I guess. It's beautiful and I just love it. This is my record player, which I love with my whole life. This is the Audio Technica LP60. LP60, yes. I was playing Billie Eilish when we all fall asleep. Where do we go? It's a great album. I love it and I can stop playing it. Right over here I have all my babies. Right here I have Charlie Bradbury from Supernatural, which cost me my life to get her because it's so hard to get. So right here I have a lot of others vinyl records. If you guys want to watch my vinyl record collection, comment down below so I know if you guys want to see that. Yep. So that's that. I have another fake plant right here. And okay, we're moving on to this part right now. So this is this grid, I guess. I got this one from Urban Outfitters for like $50. I was dumb, okay? Don't buy on Urban Outfitters. I've seen like things of this on like Walmart for less than $20. I was just dumb. Don't be like me, be smart. Go to Walmart. Okay, so in this thing I have like my necklaces. Supernatural, you know. I made this drawing of whatever, a ghost. I love ghosts. Just if you're a ghost, just don't come haunt me at night, but it's okay if you're like Casper, if you're friendly, then that's okay. Oh god, what am I saying? Okay, so I have this little Funko keychain of Negan from The Walking Dead, one of my favorites, even though he killed my other favorite. I have this Supernatural Entertainment Weekly Halloween Special. I have this other calendar. Yes, this is the third one. 1, 2, 3. Yes, and I have another one of The Walking Dead, a big one, but it's on my closet. Oops. I don't have space for another calendar that I don't use. I use this one though. I have this Funko Pop pen of Castiel from Supernatural. This is the most beautiful pen I've ever seen in my entire life, as you can see it. I also have a Castiel Funko keychain from Supernatural. I have Supernatural trading cards. This pin that I made myself. Make the steel cannon, please, you cowards. And this is my college, what is it called? Acceptation letter? Yeah, I guess. Yeah. And right down here I have this plant, another fake plant. Yeah, this Lucky cat. I love those. This is my beautiful baby Agent M, Tessa Thompson from Men in Black. Love the movie. Right here I have this frame for Polaroid pictures. I have 11 with Egos, a classic. Some of my lipsticks, I don't use them that often, honestly. Another plant, my moisturizing cream, makeup. I'm sorry that it's a mess, but I've literally, this is the first time I do makeup in like a month, so whoa. Right over here I have an artist college award in design banner, You're Here sign, Stranger Things squeezable dart. I got this on Walmart for $1. Right here I have a tour from Endgame, more makeup, and basically all my CDs and movies, which are just One Direction movies, One Direction concerts and stuff. So yeah, that's great. Right over here I have my speakers and two more Funko Pops. This is Carolina Dean from Marvel's Runaways and Nico Minoru from Marvel's Runaways. They are girlfriends. Had to get them both. They were $2. Can you believe it? On Hot Topic. It's great. Right here I have a lot of stuff. Actually, I have my diploma from high school, which is what? Yeah. And right over here I have the box for Captain Marvel, Harry Potter wand, just to clean vinyl records, and yeah. Right here is where I put my trash can. Right now I honestly don't even know where I put it, but this is where I put it usually. I have a lot of fake plants in here. Yes. I don't know, my jellies. I don't know what they were doing there. This is my closet. It's a mess, so please don't see it. Oh god. Oh yeah, I told you I had another calendar. This is The Walking Dead, a big one. Whoa. Yeah, that's what's going on. Oh my god, Dean Winchester. Okay, I'm sorry. I had to make the joke, you know. The other part is my closet still, and I have like a ton of Funko Pops that I don't know where to put. I don't have a lot of space. If you can see, I have a lot of clothes, but I still want more, so that's that. So that was my room, guys. I know it's really small, but I like it. I guess it's just everything I like, it's here, and that's what matters. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'm sorry that I haven't been, you know, posting videos or just on Instagram or anywhere, but I've been doing stuff, adulting. Fuck. But that's what's up. Really hope you guys are doing great, and see you guys next video.